rice, mangosteen tea. This one guys, boksoy, pitsay, and we had sardines and banana. That's it guys. Hi guys and good morning everyone and welcome to our channel Bids Life in the US. Thank you so much guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. Let's eat breakfast guys. Our breakfast for today's rice boksoy pitsay. We add sardine. It's good. Yummy. I always hungry guys. I think because of the weather. If the weather is cold, you always hungry. No? I always hungry guys. And still adjusting the time guys. You know na the time in the US is different. In the Philippines now is daytime. Here in the US is here in the US morning. In the Philippines is evening. So Philippines eating dinner now. And then in the US eating breakfast. Let's eat breakfast guys. Yummy guys, yummy. Still chilly guys. I think April pa guys April starting the summer. April guys. Breakfast ba? Paano tayo na itong diet? No diet. Manaba na po tayo guys. Always eating. That's it guys. We bring 12 pieces of sardines. 5 sardines guys. That's it guys. Today is 10 February 10 today, right? February 10, 9? 5 days ago, 5 more, Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. Don't buy flower. Flower expensive eh. Yeah. Buy na lang Aero Garden. Aero Garden pads. That's I wish. Even the weather so very cold, I take a shower. I need to use this lip gloss, guys. Hi guys, unboxing guy from Walmart, grocery shopping. Good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday. Look at this guy. One bag, one item. Only in the US guys. In the Philippines, mostly in Escalante guy, not allowed to use the plastic. If you caught, you need to fine 500 pesos, which $10 bread. But here, one stop, one item, one bag. To grocery shopping, guys. This is, I think, third times, guys, grocery shopping since when I arrived here. Rolls and the Yakult. The price of the Yakult here, guys, look like 3 times compared to the Philippines. Yeah. Philippines is only 50 pesos, less than $1. This is ground beef, guys. Ay, this is sausage biscuit. Cooked biscuit. But no more biscuit this time. We need to wait that in maybe next week, next shopping. Lasag na. Hablasag na, guys. And the other one. Usually we bought avocado this time, guys, because avocado is 50% off. So we bought 3. Not of plastic, guys. But we use this plastic to put our trash. But I have trash bag, guys. Hamburger. Right. And the egg. And the egg. We placed our order, guys, yesterday. Before bid. And we schedule for deliver 9 to 11. They deliver 9:30, guys. Chicken breast. And this one, tissue. Tissue is important, guys. This is ano paper towel. That's a paper towel. And this one, we buy this, guys, clear pad wrap. Plastic wrap, because if I'm cooking, baking bread, guys, we use that one. And this time, we buy egg. What is called that? Milk. And this one, hot dog. Oh, this time, guys, 3 items in one bag. All-purpose flour. And baking soda. And brown sugar. And this time, chili chip. Big Ben, small, guys, because if big, not carry to eat everything. This small is the good size for 2 of us. Another, tea, black tea. That is good for cold weather. And grapes. And of course, Skippy. Peanut butter. And this one is baking powder. Apple cider vinegar. And yes. Yes for the yes. Yes for the cooking bread, guys. Because I miss pandesal, guys. We cook pandesal soon. And of course, okra. Frozen yan, guys. Frozen. And the fries. And of course, the mix. Oh, haba. Broccoli pala. Because no more mixed vegetable. And that's it, everything, guys. And this spend, my husband spent $119. 7,221. Imagine mo, guys. Here in the US, guys, we spend like 500 to $600 a month for the grocery. And that is cost for like 30,000. Two of us only, guys. We spend that here in the US for grocery. 30,000 per month. Imagine mo, guys. No? Too expensive. And that's it, guys. I show you everything, guys. That's it. Yeah. That's it. Our grocery today. This is third grocery usually, guys.